Hey mother hen, when will you lay me an egg for my tea? Hello. I was going to leave this till the weekend when all my stuff arrived at once. I sent away for a load of stuff at the same time and they all keep coming different days. So this is going to be a very quick one. I was getting in for work, but yeah, I got this sent through. I bought it about a week ago. In fact, it wasn't even a week. I think it was only been 5 days ago. And it's a rocket stand, VC. You know, it has a Victoria Cross. Now it's a, don't know if you can see through that crude sticker. Damn your eye. No, well, through the crude sticker you can just notice this canister. It's one of these type of canisters. One of these type. So from one of those types of canister to converter, so that you can attach a stove head onto that, or other little tricks that I'm going to show you now actually. So I'll bring you down. First I'll go and get the stove head because I've literally just come in through the door. Boom.
Phenomenon. Phenomenon. Phenomenon.
Right, well, as you saw just before the rocket stand VC. So let's open it up. Let's open it up. Let's have a look inside. So there's a little instruction pamphlet there. One of those little foamy bags. Inside you'll find this weird looking contraption. I've seen quite a few different versions of these. I believe that MSR do a version of it. Yeah, it just converts one of those style of cans, one of those gas styles. It can be attached to this side, which leads to the hose and the regulator, which brings it up to this, which converts to the same head as what you get on standard screw top gas canisters you get for camping. It comes with these 3 legs that you move in a weird combination. It's like a Rubik's of camping. So move that one first. Bloody hell. Move that one first. There we go. That one second. That one third. You're left with this star shape. There we go. So that goes down on the grind. Then you can attach your standard little butane cans to this nozzle here. There we go. There we go. Sound as a pound. So you've got your little regulator there, and your converter. Let's push that down a bit. So, in conjunction with one of these cans, I've seen a similar thing that a lad was showing us. I've got one myself. It's a little metal plate that you screw on. It's not. It's a load of crap. It leaks and everything. This is sound as out. This. I've got loads of these style converters, and they've got the normal canister screw on the top. But yeah, it's really good compared to that little metal bracket. No good. No good. So, the idea being, you can get this style. God, I haven't used this for years. This style, I think this is a Vango. Can't remember what the hell it's called. Anyway, it's some sort of Vango little rapid. So if this will screw straight onto the top of here, and he said as he repeatedly screwed and got nowhere. This will screw straight onto the top of here. There you are. And now you can use this can and use this stove head with this converter, which is great, which is absolutely fantastic. There's my lighters. Absolutely mint. And obviously the regulator on the valve here, and then you've got a regulator on the valve here. So make sure that it's turned off before you unscrew this, or you'll fill the entire shed with gas and likely to cause an explosion. So you can use these style burner heads with that gas. But you know what really tripped me into thinking, wow, that's a good idea? Wasn't so much the ability to use one of these with this canister. Sister girlfriend. This. Me Takana pot stuff. I thought there's no easy way, unless I dug a hole in the ground, sunk that in the ground with the converter on. There's no easy way to get this using these cans. Well, this is absolutely fantastic. So, without further ado, instead of using the standard gas canister that I do with the Takana stove, I can now use on here. Bella. So this now screws. There you go. This now screws to the top of that. So it means the Takana stove can be powered using these bad lads. And for stability wise, that feels pretty damn good. That feels pretty damn good. And there you go. There you go. You can now use this in conjunction with these canisters, these cheap canisters. Booyaka chandless. So, I mean, this isn't giving you really a massive lightweight option, because obviously you've got to take into consideration the weight of the converter and the weight of these cans. I think these cans are actually constructed a little bit heavier than the likes of these, so it's not really a lightweight option. It's a cheap version. Or if you're going, I do a lot of woodland camping, and you haven't so much got the massive journey in, so you can afford to take a little bit of heavier gear. So if you are, you know, you're not going to rely on having a campfire to cook your food, and you want a gas regulating system, a gas stove, well, with this you could take 2 or 3 tins of this, a lot cheaper. I think the cheapest I've seen these is 4 tins for £3, whereas one of these single 100-gram tins, you're talking 5-6 quid just for the 1 tin. I mean, with these, you know, 4 or 5 tins of these, you'll get twice the life. So it is a cheaper option. Yeah, I really like it, mate. Now here's the stinger. This was £29 for this converter from Amazon. For £30, you can get a twin-headed converter. So at the very top of this, you'll actually get another screw thread. So, which you can power another gas stove off. So you get the same head as that on the end of this, so you'll get the gas. Then you can power another stove head. So I've seen a lantern. I'm not sure if it was Fire Maple I seen it on. Andy Wardle was at the Isle of Harris on one of his videos, and one of his mates, and he was in a bothy, and he had this little tiny Fire Maple. It was like a little fired lantern. You could mount that on there as a light and cook off it at the same time. I mean, you use bags of gas, but the option is there available for you to use it like that. But yeah, converter. I mean, whether it'll pay for itself in the long run, I'm not really bothered about that, to be honest. I wanted it. So it's a case of not necessity need. It's a case of just wanting it and to try it out. And yeah, I will use it. I will use these tins with Takana. I've got bags of these, bags of them. So, you know, I'll be able to use them with every stove I've got now. From these little portable ones to these type. You know what I mean? So there you go, just a quick look. Hope you enjoyed.